Okay guys, hey, what's up? Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on a AC, like air conditioning remote control without a battery. As you guys can see, we don't have a battery case. It got super cold. If I can find it, there it is. You can see it's super fucked up. But we can short this out and then it will turn on the screen and we can control it with the buttons. My AC is turned on currently, but as you guys can see, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. So we're going to, based on that knowledge, we know this is minus and this is plus, that's minus, that's plus. Based on that knowledge, we're gonna take our battery with jumper wires and we're gonna take red is plus, black is minus, and we're just going to touch it right here. If you guys can see, I'm trying to get the perfect touch point because otherwise it won't work. Oh, as you guys can see, we managed to get it working. See if I can keep it up for more than half a second. Oh, there we go. I gotta stop moving. Hold on. Okay, this will be it. Come on, man. Oh, there we go. If you guys can see, hold on, I'll do it again. There we go. As you guys can see, we shorted it out and completed the circle, and now it works. You guys can see that it says off. I don't have any free hands to press the buttons, but it does work. I managed to turn my AC that way. And if we leave it, like take off our hands, it will keep playing for some time because of this part over here. I think it's called a capacitor. Forgot, but that's pretty cool. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.